heck?
This public service announcement pokes fun at fake news.
Karen's got to hear about this.
With some help from Global News radio host Supriya Dwivedi.
Fake news is everywhere.
The ad was produced by the non-profit Canadian Journalism Foundation, part of a project to help find and fight disinformation, like this fake Toronto Star article during the federal election campaign.
Canadians don't know who to trust, who to believe.
And when it comes to our democratic institutions, it seems Canadians are losing faith. The number who trust the government fell this year to 36%. Trust in the news media also dropped to 40%. Even universities and colleges took a hit.
That level of erosion in public trust is typically linked to a recession or some kind of political scandal or disaster. But pollsters believe that this latest distrusting trend is being driven in part by changes in technology and an overwhelming information space.
I think the large event in recent years has been how we've turned to other applications, other platforms to get our news.
That said, Canadians trust information on social media even less.
People are questioning the reliability of the sources of information that they're now consuming.
This communications firm compared Canada's cynicism with 28 other countries. They found Canadians are still far more trusting than their American and British counterparts. As one Brexit campaign leader famously put it,
I think the people in this country have had enough of experts.
But one thing Canada does share with Brexit Britain and Trump's America is a growing trust gap. College-educated Canadians with higher incomes trust their institutions 20% more.
I think that a large part of that is around income inequality.
She says they typically see a spike in public trust following an election, like they did back in 2015. But this time round, they're predicting a different result.
I think a lot of people are deciding between the better of two bad choices.
A distrustful public must now decide whom to trust to run the country. Jeff Semple, Global News, Toronto.